Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find any Instagram account without knowing their username. So for example, you're trying to find someone on Instagram but you just don't know the username, then here's some pretty cool and easy way to still be able to find their actual account. So for example, you live in New York. What you're going to do is you're going to simply type in New York over in your search bar, just like this. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll to the right till you find places right here, which you're going to click on it. And then you can even filter on which part of New York. So for example, Brooklyn, New York. You want to click on cancel, get started. And then right here, you will literally see a lot of posts over from just a lot of different people who are just sharing posts that are in Brooklyn. And this is of course in New York, so there are 17 million posts. But for example, if you live in a pretty small town with just like 100,000 people or something, then there will only be like 10,000 posts under this place. And if you know that that person is quite active on Instagram, then there's a really big chance that when you go to recent, from top to recent, and you scroll a little bit down, then you will most likely just see that person pop up over on recent, because the town where you live in is quite small. So this is actually a way how I use that I have used in the past in order to actually find accounts of people I want to find, but I just don't know their actual username. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.